honey. Honey, this is epic. Honestly, have no idea how this is gonna look. Ooh, it is looking orange. I don't know if it's matching my skin tone. This is the lipstick that they use, so let's just line the lip and work that in. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about Illamasqua makeup look. So as you can see, I'm sporting an Illamasqua makeup look. This month I was able to go to their new studio in Box Park, Shoreditch, and I was able to attend a masterclass with their makeup artist Pablo. He created a look similar to this and I thought I'd recreate it. I will show you what look looks like now. Obviously me and the model have different skin tones and different looks, so I wanted to create something similar using the same products, and I think I achieved that. But as I've been rambling on, I just want to introduce you if you're brand new to my channel. I'm Tonique Campbell. I do videos on Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'd love to have you here. So like, what are you waiting for? Are you going to subscribe to this channel? Oh, you already did? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is prime my skin. This is the Beyond Veil, and this is like a primer. It quickly absorbs by the skin, creating a perfect canvas for foundation application, allowing the foundation to glide on easily and stay fresh and colour true for hours. This is designed for dull and dehydrated skin. This is a lightweight skin glowing gel, instantly helping to hydrate and smooth the skin. It blurs the appearance of fine lines and minimises the look of imperfections with a natural glowing finish. I love the packaging. It's so easy to apply. It kind of feels like a kind of gel like wet squidgy thing. Maybe if you remember like in school when you used to play with like, what's that thing called, slime? That's what it feels like. And I'm just rubbing that into the skin. They also have the Hydra Veil, which is just like a plain gel primer, but I wanted to have a little bit of a glow, so this Beyond is like a shining glowing gel just to give the face just a bit of more of a glow. Okay, I want to go in and do my eyebrows, so I'm taking the Smoulder brush. So I'm just gonna go in with Gaze and I'm just gonna just buff up my eyebrows. Okay, so just to conceal those eyebrows, I am taking the Skin Base Concealer Pen. This is a corrector with Precision Matte, and this is in Deep 1. I just put it on now. It is a little bit like yellowy, orangey, but let's blend that in and see how it works. What I do love is it is like a kind of metal pen, so it is kind of easy just to like slide across the face. This is really cute. Okay, so let's be blending that in with a beauty blender. Okay, foundation time. This is the Skin Base foundation. I haven't used it yet, but I did obviously use it while I went for the masterclass, and my friend has been using this foundation. She was like, it is amazing. This is in the colour SB15, and this is an easy blendable formula. Effortlessly creates a perfect complexion suitable for all skin types. It smooths and softens and conditions your skin while providing natural buildable coverage. The ultimate skin realism foundation. So obviously this is meant to be as close to your skin as possible. I've also got the SB16. So this is 15 and this is 16. So I'll just like swipe them for you so you can see. 16 has more of a reddish undertone, which is not for me, and 15 has a more of a golden undertone, which is my colour. So let's be putting on that foundation now. I'm just going to take like one pump of that foundation. If I do need to go in with another pump, I will do that, but I think for now we're good with one. Okay, taking my second pump. I feel like I complained about foundations being too runny, and now this foundation is like kind of thick. I'm like needing to take more than one pump. So I'm just going to try it with my Spectrum B01 brush just to see like if that makes the foundation spread a little bit more. Yeah, the foundation was a little bit better with a brush rather than a beauty blender. Just to take away a little bit of that shine, I'm just taking my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Genius powder just to like set that foundation. But yeah, the foundation is pretty cool, but it is a little bit thick. It's on the thick side, and I know I've complained about like foundations being a bit too runny, so I just feel like, Tonique, what is it that you want? You just complain all the time. But yeah, it's just a little bit on the thick side. But I get what they mean by skin base, because I feel like this is just my skin with just covering up like the flaws and imperfections. And I feel like this is one of the best foundations I've tested this month in terms of covering up my dark area. I'm just feeling like, is it a little bit too orange, or what do you guys think? But it does feel like it is like my skin. It almost feels like a tinted moisturizer, but the consistency of it is quite thick. Okay, I'm taking my Skin Base Concealer Pen in D2 just to set my under eye. I love the fact that this literally just clicks. I think for the under eye, just need like 2 clicks. And then just on the bridge of my nose. So all in all, I've used 5 clicks. But it's kind of a cool idea, like click and go. Just going to blend that in with a beauty blender. The foundation is a little bit dark. I'm not going to lie, the foundation needs a little bit more shades added to them, because the D1 was just like very yellowy and I didn't want to have a under eye that was too light. I might just go in again with a D1 and just brighten up that eye and just see what we're working with, you know? I feel like since we're going for a dramatic look, we might as well just make sure that the base is dramatic as well. That concealer is bomb. The concealers this month are coming through strong. That concealer is bomb. It also helps give a little bit of radiance, like if you guys can see, it's a little bit more illuminated. It is thick and full coverage, but it is buildable. The concealer is buildable and it's very spreadable as well. I feel like sometimes you get a concealer that is very thick and it's like, whereas this is a little bit more spreadable. Now to go in with the eyes, I'm just taking my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Potion Primer and I am just priming the lids of my eyes. So let's just blend that in. Okay, for their 10th anniversary, they brought out these palettes. These are just a basic palette where you can use a base shade to create your look. So we have this Element palette which has all the kind of autumnal shades, and then we have the Experimental palette which is something completely different, and I think it kind of stands to its name. It's like if you want to experiment on something. These are kind of the bright, bold colours. So to create the look, Pablo went in with... Okay, my camera actually died, but Pablo went in with the Elemental palette and I'm just using the grey shade and applying that to my eye. Okay, that went on really nicely. I just want to blend that in a little bit, so I'm just taking the blending brush. Okay, going in with the main shade. This is the Pure Pigment in Android, and what it is in the name. It's a pure pigment, so it's just literally like pigment dust. Just swatch it for you opposite that grey colour so you can see the difference, and it is a little bit of glimmer and shine. So what we're going to do is, I'm just going to dampen my brush a little bit, and Pablo literally just like sprinkled this on the eye. However, her look was a more natural look. I think I want to be going in with the glitz and the glam, so I really want to just kind of top that eye up, and then I'm just going to blend that in with their blending brush. To be honest, this pigment, you really don't need that much, so don't be getting excited when you're putting it on, to be honest. Okay, so I've blended it in, but I want the colour to be a little bit more vibrant, so I'm just taking my brush and I'm just patting it just gently on the top of my lid, just to ensure that there is shimmer in all parts of the eye. Just to round off that eye, I'm going to take this luminous blue. I know this wasn't part of the look, but to be honest, right now I'm just going with the flow, you know? And I kind of want a nice eye. And this blue isn't as vibrant as it looks. It's actually coming out quite darker. And let's be blending with the blending brush. I just want to brighten up the corners of my eyes, so I'm just taking that golden shade from the Elemental palette. This is what it looks like. And I'm just going to place that in the corners of my eyes just to brighten it up and make it a little bit more golden. Okay, I've put on my mascara. I'm loving this eye look. Obviously, it's a little bit different from what Pablo did, but we got to give our own twist, you know. Yeah, okay. Going in with the highlighter, this is absolutely amazing. This is their Beyond Powder Highlighter, and it is in the shade Epic. Oh, honey. Honey, this is epic. Actually, I'm just going to take these all off my arm, because this is what happens. I leave them on my arm and then like I completely go about my day with highlight, eyeshadow and everything on my arm. Okay, just placing that on the cheekbone with my E1 Belle brush, and I'm just going to blend that in. Also to add some to the bridge of my nose. They also have Oh My God, which is a kind of lighter shade, so I'm just going to swatch that for you, and that is a kind of champagne shade, so I'm just going to put that again on my nose, lit into the cheek, and blend that all in. Okay, highlight big poppin'. Just to finish the look, I am taking the Animated Lipstick in Liar. This is kind of like an orange shade. I don't know how this is going to look, you know. Honestly, have no idea how this is going to look. Ooh, it is looking orange. I don't know if it's matching my skin tone. This is the lipstick that they use, so let's just line the lip and work that in. I'm just setting my face with the Hangover 3-in-1 spray, and yeah guys, this is the final look. I feel like the lipstick, for the purpose of this look, it works. Outside of the house, I will not be wearing this orange lipstick, but I feel like I'm giving you Egyptian goddess, and for the purpose of the look, I'm going to keep it on, but throughout the day, this is not the lipstick of choice. So yeah guys, what are you thinking? Do you like this look? Honestly, I'm just going to run down through the products. Foundation is absolute bomb. I feel like it just literally, I feel like I'm wearing my skin. It doesn't feel cakey at all. I love the concealer pen. I love Deep 2, although it's kind of the same shade as my skin tone, but I think it's kind of really cute and it illuminates the eye. I absolutely love the eyeshadow palettes. They are matte and pigmented in colour, which I love. I love when you put on an eyeshadow and you don't have to struggle too much. Just boom, 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 boom. It's not everyday blending, 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 blending. Maybe the eyeshadow is not working. That's why you have to be blending. But this was absolutely perfect. I'm not feeling the lipstick, to be honest, but I feel like for the purpose of this look, and I'm going for this Egyptian goddess look, it is amazing. Absolutely love the highlighters. I am glowing for the gods, honey. Look at that glow. Cut, 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 cut. But yeah guys, if you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy for you to share this video. Why not share it? As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below for where you can buy these products from. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what? Bougie.